Alright, what is up everyone? I've been meaning to put out a video for about 2 to 3 days, but unfortunately I was sick and I came down with pink eye. I know it's strange. I never thought I would be the one to catch pink eye, but unfortunately I did catch pink eye. Maybe you can still see it. Let's see. I don't know. And this is like eye ointment. Yeah. But yeah, I came down with pink eye. I wanted to put a video out, so I'm gonna have to grind out, maybe put out like maybe 2 or 3 videos to make up for it. And I do have some ideas. I still want to get my review, an honest opinion on this camera. There's still a lot I want to do, so I'm gonna get to all that. Don't worry. But for right now, enjoy this little B-roll, and I'm gonna just try to get my thoughts over the B-roll that's rolling. Alright, so in my opinion, I think the camera is great. Definitely for what I got it for. I went on eBay and I got this camera for $357 with the kit lens and 2 extra batteries. So I jumped on that right away, and it was buy now. I didn't have to wait for an auction or nothing. And the funny thing is, when I was looking for this camera, I had one I was gonna get. It was about $400. It was about $400, and that was I think just the body alone. But the camera's price been skyrocketing, so it was still cheaper than buying a body on Amazon, I think. But since the camera's price been like skyrocketing, and I was finding these lower prices and I was trying to jump on them, I was losing all the auctions. Am I in focus? Let's do that. Yeah, I was losing all the auctions and everything. So I had one I was gonna get really cheap. Thought I was gonna get it. I think it was ending in like an hour, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna just wait it out, buy it here. The thing went up to like $500 some, so I was like not doing it, and I was ready to give up on looking for this camera. I was probably gonna get a Sony a6000 or just wait and get a 6300. But fortunately I looked one last time. I looked one last time, and I found this deal here. $350 and $7 was shipping, and the guy where I bought it from was in Detroit. Shipped here in about two days. I actually think 2 days. Got here really fast, and I've been using it ever since. So the price, whether you're getting it off, getting it secondhand or you're buying it firsthand, it's still a bargain if you ask me. It's still great. I would have bought it for regular price anyway because I really wanted a camera. So yeah, from me shooting on my iPhone with the moment lens, I don't have the moment lens up here, but for me shooting on my iPhone and using the moment lens and using a full mirrorless camera, it's a great step up for me personally. Like, I still love my moment lens and I'm still going to use it. I thought that was like the greatest thing ever, using the moment lens with my phone, but I wasn't, for some reason, I wasn't comfortable with using it like I am using a mirrorless camera or just a camera. I don't know why. Like, you would think you would feel more comfortable using this because it's more discreet, but I just wasn't. So when I got this camera, I became way more comfortable. I use it, and I grab a lot of footage. So most of the clips you're gonna see, since you will be seeing more B-roll than just looking at me stand in one place and talk, are just clips. I was just shooting, still trying to figure out the camera and what mode I want to shoot in and all that. I'm not a manual focus guy. I do like autofocus. Manual focus, I don't know. I really didn't play with it that much, but from the short time I did use it, I don't want to use it right now. So all the footage you're gonna see is just mainly a whole lot of B-roll. And speaking of B-roll, I want to talk to you guys about that. Unfortunately, I found out all I do is shoot B-roll. Uh, it's funny to think that, but really all I do is shoot B-roll. And I figured that out, and I was like, wow, I can't tell a story with just shooting B-roll, because I'm not shooting exactly cinematic sequences that can tell a story for me. I'm shooting B-roll and trying to make B-roll tell a story for me, you know what I'm saying? It's weird, but I think this video will be a step in the right direction. If you never watched none of my old videos from my moment lens and my cell phone, this is the iPhone 10. I had this conversation a lot because I was like, I don't want to be in front of the camera. I love being behind the camera, but from behind the camera, I still wasn't even producing the story. So, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a whole lot of randomness, a whole lot of footage that I wanted to use, essentially, but it's all B-roll. So I'm just gonna throw it here. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is all in 4K. I'm gonna downscale it in 1080 because 480 is too much for me. I don't have a laptop or a computer, so I use this here. I send everything here from my SD card, and I left the piece downstairs. But I bought an SD card reader so that I can just stick in here and just send it here, and I edit off my phone. So that's another reason I downscale the footage. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is 4K. This is from the Panasonic LUMIX G7, which I'm enjoying, and I hope you guys enjoy as well. I would totally pick up the camera. Like, a lot of people really complain about the autofocus. I don't think it's bad. I really don't. Like, obviously it has some issues. Definitely shooting in 4K, but it doesn't like ghost. You know what I'm saying? Like just hunt for you is what I'm looking for. You know, it keeps me pretty good. I've been in front of the camera a lot, been behind the camera a lot where I was trying to focus on people. It works. That's all I can say. It's not that bad. See, maybe because I was thinking since this is my first camera, it's probably slower and I just don't know it, because a lot of people come to mirrorless or just have a DSLR and they use this camera and they're like, autofocus. So I really want to know. But like I said, this is my opinion. I think it's good. I think you should use it, and that's that. So enjoy, man.
Like thriller, I might pull up and serve you a pound on a 4-wheeler. You fucking with the